Let's uncover the secret of the scaly pangolin. Pangolin are unique mammals that are covered in tough scale. When they feel threatened, they can curl up into a tight ball, protecting themselves from predator. Their scales are so strong that even tigers have trouble breaking through them. Pangolins are slow-moving creatures. They use their powerful claw to dig burrow and climb tree. Pangolin are the only mammal in the world that eat exclusively ant and termite. They have long, sticky tongue that they use to slurp up their prey. Their tongue can be longer than their body.